basic principle of the rainwater harvesting is to collect, filter, and reutilize or recharge the groundwater source. By capturing, storing, reutilizing, recycling, and groundwater recharging, the entire cycle of water gets a new phase of life in terms of saving and sustainability. Rainwater is the purest form of water, but while it pours down on the roof of the buildings, it gets mixed with dirt particles, leaves, and debris deposited on the roof and flows through the rainwater drain pipes. To flush out these dirt and debris before letting the water into the sump or recharging well, proper filters have to be incorporated. There are numerous varieties of rainwater harvesting filters available in the market. Now in India, first of its kind, dual-intensity, self-cleaning rooftop rainwater harvesting filters, Rainy, have been designed, manufactured and sold through a wide network of dealers throughout India by Farmland Rainwater Harvesting System, Chikmagalur, Karnataka. These filters, with its special features, differs in many aspects from the other conventional and mechanical filters existing in the market. In conventional filters, the filtration by way of sedimentation tanks results in clean water with more suspended particles. This technique requires periodic maintenance and repeated use of consumables like charcoal, sand and pebbles, etc. The rainwater, along with dirt particles, leaves and other particles, have to pass through the filter candle or through the other filtration media like mesh, sponge or sand. In this case, the debris will be clogged inside the filter and get decayed. Due to this, rainwater gets contaminated and also the chances of overflow of water through the filter or rooftop resulting in unsafe flow of water to the surrounding environment. The mechanical filters available in the market are designed with a gate valve system at drain side. When the dirt particles enters, it will stagnate inside the chamber of filter. To overcome these problems, the firm's continuous efforts, extensive research and developmental work of over a decade resulted in the invention of a completely revolutionary type dual-intensity rainwater harvesting filters based on the working principle of cohesion and centrifugal force. The downtake pipes from the roof has to be interconnected and lead till the filter unit and has to be connected to the inlet of the Rainy filter. The rainwater, along with dirt and debris, flows by gravity through the pipeline, enters into the filter, starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction at the periphery of the upper housing so as to flow into the SS304 filter element placed in the lower housing in angular motion at specific velocity, which creates cohesive force at low intensity and centrifugal force during high intensity of rainfall, which aids the filter element to flush out automatically the dirt and debris through the drain outlet and simultaneously divert clean water into the sump or recharging well through the clean water outlet. The rainy filter has open drain outlet in order to avoid stagnation of water and dirt particles inside the filters. Filter inlet and outlet connections can be rotated 360 degrees to suit to the pipeline direction. Bypass valve is provided in the filter to divert the sudden summer rains into the drain. The filter efficiency remains unchanged even with the variation of intensity of rainfall. Fully enclosed and compact in size, so minimum space is sufficient to install. The versatility of these filters is such that they can even be fitted inside the ducts. Tough, high-density, ultraviolet-treated, high-density polyethylene housing is built to last long. Filter element is made out of SS304 steel and it is food-graded. The filter being wall-mountable, it can be fitted with wall bracket and flexible rubber straps with hooks. Inlet, outlet and drain outlets can be connected easily through the rubber bushes and bellows to the existing pipes. Various models are available to suit various dimensions of roof areas as per the requirements of consumers. Since the filters do not have any moving parts, there is no wear and tear of the filter. Hence, it enables long lifespan. Due to simplicity in connection, local plumbers, technicians can easily install the filter. The technology of filter components is of food grade, environment friendly and recyclable. If the filter element is clogged, no consumables are required. It can be easily removed, washed and reinserted. Hence, the maintenance is easy. By storing of water in the sump and reutilizing, around 35% of the annual requirement of a household can be met. Thereby, a considerable amount on the water and power bill can be saved. Prevents waterlogging in low-lying areas. Farmland has recharged over 3,000 bore wells both in the private and public sector and installed more than 10,000 rooftop rainwater harvesting filters in rural and urban areas.
As I have benefited from this product, we must be having a tremendous increase in yield in our bore wells, about 30% I should put it at, and the quality of water also has improved.
The technology has helped in the rural areas with significant improvement in the yield levels of bore wells which were earlier either dry or having low yields. Hundreds of government lower and higher primary schools have also been benefited in terms of assured drinking water supply as well as quality water for cooking midday meals.
ನಾವು ಈ ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ನೀರಿನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬಿಸಿ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಈ ನೀರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಜನರು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರು ಈ ನೀರನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಸಿ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕುಡಿಯಲು, ಕೈಕಾಲು ತೊಳೆಯಲು, ತಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳೆಯಲು, ಅರೆ ಕೈಯುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
A dedicated team of professionals constantly train, upgrade and equip the skills of dealers for the successful implementation of the technology in different parts of the country. farmland has a footprint covering almost 80% of the districts in the state of Karnataka. On a pan-India basis, the firm has a presence in the states of Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala, Goa, Chhattisgarh, and Madhya Pradesh. Rainy filters have also been installed overseas in North Carolina, USA, and Thessaloniki, Greece. The technology has gained a wide acceptance, and the firm has undertaken various government-sponsored projects through Jilla Panchayats, Gram Panchayats, municipalities, corporations, Nirmiti Kendras, ST Corporation, Karnataka Urban Water Supplies and Sewerage Board, Bangalore Water Supplies and Sewerage Board, Konkan Railways, TERI-sponsored projects, private and public sector in the area of individual housing, farms, hospitals, apartments, commercial buildings, institutions, lower and higher primary schools and colleges, both in rural and urban areas.